Hello Fash fam, welcome again to Tamara's Palace. Today's tutorial is on this Vicky James sleeve. Like, this sleeve is so iconic. First thing you want to do is to cut a flare, measure the circumference of your armhole and actually cut a flare. In this tutorial I'm not using an armhole per se, so I'm just guessing my measurements here. So for the length you can use between 10 inches to 15 inches, as much as you like, but 10 inches ideally will be fine for anyone. So what I just did is, as usual, the way you cut out your flare, that's how you're going to be cutting this out. So I just got pieces of fabric. Since I did not have any particular dress I wanted to use this style for, or just cut your material. Then the next thing is your lining. The same way you cut the lining of your flare, that's the same thing we are doing here. So we're cutting that. If you don't understand that flare is the same thing as peplum you get. It's not flounce, it's flare. The next thing is you're going to get your stay. In this case I prefer to use a cloth stay for this tutorial, and that's what I'm using here. You can also use your S stay or a paper stay. Then you iron it down and you bring it to your machine, and just the way you always turn your flare with a line, and that's exactly what you're going to see me do. I'm turning the whole lower part. That's what I want to do now. The whole lower part of that flare, I'm going to be turning it with the lining, like so. You don't need to put crinoline here. Don't put crinoline here. Don't put anything. Just your stay is enough. In fact, if it's actually okay, like the James knows that you're even using, you don't even need to use any stay. You can just use proper lining, good lining. It can be doll face, it can be spider lining. You use it and to line your material if your material is thick enough. Now I just brought a scrap top here. This is not a good top. In fact, the circumference of this flare is smaller than this particular top that I use. So just sew that flare onto your armhole. So in your case you're going to be using the right measurement, please. Now just put your cloth, either a top or a dress, put it on your dummy, and now you're just shaping. Don't forget to iron that lining down, iron it flat. See, mine is still puffy because I didn't iron. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial. But here, make sure you iron it down, and then you just fold it like as you desire. You can pick from any side and fold it. You bring it up to the front of the cloth. Just look at what I am doing. It's really not hard. Just look at it down there. Make sure it's also free for movement of your client. In this case I pinned it down, but in your own case you are going to be sewing it down. You can also put some trimming there. You can bead it. You can do anything you want around it. So it's a really fine and iconic style. You can use this for your Igbo blouses or anything. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, follow. These are my Facebook group, my Instagram handle, and my YouTube. Thank you.